Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device runs iOS 15 or Android 12, has at least 3 GB RAM and 500 MB free. Once confirmed, back up your iMCAT app data to cloud or local storage so you can restore if needed. Next, open the App Store or Play Store and check whether you're enrolled in the beta or stable release channel. If not, opt in now and grant necessary permissions so the update shows up. Now you download and install the update. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and ensure battery is above 50% or connect the charger. If the update doesn't appear, clear the store and app cache and restart the device. Once done, search iMCAT and tap Update or Install. Make sure you review requested permissions and allow background install if prompted. Progress indicators will show, do not force close the store while files are downloading to prevent corruption. Finish by launching iMCAT and follow any in-app migration prompts. You'll often need to sign in again and grant camera or microphone access. Once the update completes, verify core features work and sync your backups. If the app crashes or behaves oddly, uninstall and reinstall after restoring your backup. That clears corrupted caches. If problems persist, collect the device log and app version number. Then contact support. This speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.